Here we are in the back office of Gold Rush Victory. I decided I wanted to upgrade to Phase 3. So, how do I do that? First thing I gotta do is deposit funds, or I'll use my commissions. In this case, I'll select deposit funds. And then Phase 3 is $5.99, so I enter $5.99. Then I decide which processor I want to use. So right now, I'll start with other processors. It tells me I need to deposit $628.95. So the other processors I have to select are Bluebird, Bitcoin, Cash App, Google Wallet, Venmo, and all the address information is next to it. So like I want to use Bluebird, I'll just go right here, copy this information, and that's what I need to deposit with Bluebird. So now I decide that I don't want to go with any of these, so I'll go back and hit deposit funds again. I'll enter the amount I want to purchase. Now I'll click on the drop down menu. I will select Stripe. Once I select Stripe, I select click here. Then I select Pay with Stripe. And then I enter my email, my card number, month and year of expiration, and my security code. I hit Pay with Stripe, and again it's $628.95. Once I do that, I can go to purchase position. So here's my balance right here. I can purchase there, or I can also check my funds, my deposit funds, to see if it's available. Deposit history, actually. I see $5.99. I'm good to go. All right, that's it for today.